Baldur's Gate, empire golden, built on trade, could not avert his fate. When three Doded assailed his port, transformed.
What to do? These boots have seen everything.
Of a conversation with Archduke Gortash.
What's he got to say?
All time we would stick it out. It was a good mate to talk about the brilliant future of Baldur.
Would you rather be stabbed in
City of Steel, justice.
Capital. Hands down. Winner. You?
Same.
No, he mostly avoids that topic.
I can sneak in. Security shouldn't be too tight. A few charmed innocents, maybe.
You are intruding in the palace of SZARR. Leave now, citizen.
The guard's words are clear, but spoken without thought or intent. Behind her eyes, you see nothing. She must be one of the charmed thralls Astarion mentioned. She pauses for a moment, but keeps her mouth shut. It seems you're free to enter.
Cursed to put my hands on everything.
Trust no one. A crooked touch. Shall we?
Astarion, vampire dens. What should I expect?
Vampires would be a safe bet.
Hilarious. You belong on stage. Perhaps the blood-stained sort, with a hooded man standing by, axe in hand.
So long as there's a cheering crowd. As for vampire dens, I'd brace your nose. They can be very organic. Well, that's suspiciously welcoming.
The Master is pure. His palace must be pure. No stain, no smudge, no taint. Pure.
Door to Cazador's ballroom, where he hosted his most hedonistic nights. You've never seen it closed, let alone locked before. The door is covered in intricate text, but you can't see anywhere a key might fit. Only a small, round hollow engraved with the SZARR family crest. The indentation is small and features an engraving of the family crest. Beyond that, it's a perfectly normal, mysterious door. The writing means nothing to you. You can't even recognize the script.
Quite ready for you.
The door is covered in intricate text, but you can't see anywhere a key might fit. Only a small round hollow engraved with a family crest. It's written in archaic Kozakuran, a rare version of an already obscure language.
There are inscriptions like this all over the palace. Cazador strictly forbade us from learning the language.
You can make out enough to recognize an incantation, but the specifics elude you. You can tell you're missing something, though. You spot a reference to the family signet. The indentation seems to be the right size and shape to fit a signet ring bearing the family crest.
Don't touch me.
Tonight we shall see his true form.
Should be easy.
What's that?
There is work to do. Got to press on.
Keep your distance, darling. Go.
this werewolf burned it up from the inside. Its throat and innards are more liquid than solid. The door remains sealed, with naught.
At least things have stayed interesting.
The door is covered in intricate text, but you can't see anywhere a key might fit. Only a small round.
Breathe deep and move.
This is new. That door wasn't covered with weird magical energy.
What in the hell's happened? I feel so weak. What's hiding here?
There's no time to waste. We've got to keep moving.
Ripe with magic. Looking ahead.
I'm ready.
It's gotta be immaculate.
Careful, I might. Hardly a challenge. What in the hell's is happening here? I entertained our guests here. Hazard.
Hello, world. Can't stop it.
I'm so tired. It'll be over soon. I can rest soon.
The woman's eyes are alert, verging on manic as she bustles about.
Everything's got to be right for the master. Everything's got to be perfect.
Patched up. Pushing on.
Behold! One of Cazador's cheapest tricks. An illusionary wall. Behind it is the...
Like an ambush.
So you've come home, little one, and come to visit Goldie in your old kennel.
It's taking everything I have not to grind your rotten carcass to dust.
Don't be mad at Goldie, child. I only did my job, only kept you in line.
You tortured us. for days at a time.
Oh, yes. And you sang so sweetly for me. None of the others screamed like you did. But you're home now, and you brought me a treat, eh? A new friend for Godi. Not very nice. Not very friendly. Why are you here then, little one, if not to see Godi?
Isn't it obvious? I'm going to kill Cazador.
How dare you? As if you could lay a finger on the master, you ungrateful little brat! Godi will not let you get away with blasphemy. Godi will see you punished!
Everything must be clean. Everything must be perfect.
Lovely day, this. For now.
Caught in the act of killing. A fight is unavoidable now.
Shall we dance? Not the best timing.
Where do I go from here? Cutting to the chase.
Bless us, Master. May we be worthy of you.
The engravings on the ring match the language on that strange door.
Everything must be perfect.
I still can't read it, though. Wonder if the gods are watching me.
I must be busy. Busy, busy, busy. Master might see me. Master might approve.
All bloody and raw.
This is where the spawn were kept. When we were getting neither the carrot nor the stick.
New master eats all the fresh meat, but not for long. Tonight, he changes. Promises will fresh meat then. All bloody and raw.
Must be clean. Everything must be perfect.